Okay, this is my daughter Ariana, es mi niña. Enseña el cube, hija. She's gonna record me and I'm gonna make that puzzle. Voy a construir el cubo, el famoso cubo. Toma, Ariana. ¿Listo yo? You get my face in the cube?
Yeah.
Okay. ¿Qué abajo? Okay, va. Se fijan todo, it's all mixed.
You're gonna put it on the computer?
We'll see. It's all mixed, right? The object of this game is to place all colors, all faces on the same place, okay? So let's do this. Get back a little. Ahí. Okay. Alright, we're gonna set time. Time starts now. Okay. Let's see. How long I can do this. It's gonna take it.
Do you take a long time?
Let's see. How long is it gonna take?
Papi, it's red.
Okay, it's filming.
What does filming mean?
It's recording.
Oh.
What's what I'm doing.
I thought red means like it's not charged.
No. Okay, we got the first white.
How did you do
White,
that?
blue, red, green. Okay. Now let's do this part. This is a fun part.
This part.
Mhm.
You said this part.
Okay. Ooh, cool.
What? ¿Qué?
Nada, nada.
Is the white still there?
We'll see right now.
Oh, you're doing the yellow?
Ariana. Espera. Cool. Okay, now I've got this blue, that red, green, and the white is still there. Are you getting this? Okay, we're at 2:37 now. I'm not doing it too fast. I'm just going to show you how to do this. Okay. 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 Now we've got them in the middle. Colors matching there: blue, yellow, green, red, orange, and the white's still there. So now we need to get our corners done, and we do this by doing this. Okay. Time. You see it? Have you recorded this? Put it right here. White. All the colors are done. And we did it in
Do I put
3
pause?
minutes roughly.